my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. I recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hello, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On load for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You back at my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me.
I'm here.
And you follow.
I haven't piloted in a long time. Okay, pilot, come up with me, man. You want to be left pilot or right pilot? Okay, you get the hyperspace, baby. Yeah. All right, you get the hyperspace.
You guys flight color today is gonna be brown. Okay, the color we got.
Brown is proud.
Brown's fast. Sorry, guys, flight color brown. Good luck.
I'll be honest with you. Brown sounds like shit, but you know. All right, we're brown.
Perfect, like you're brown. Welcome on into the Falcon. Feel free to explore.
Sweet.
Oh boy.
Brown is next over here. Pilot to the front, side by side facing.
Our name might be underwhelming, but we can rock and roll when we need to. We can still. Trust me, we can.
Have you been pilot on a Falcon before?
Oh yes, pilot, engineer, gunner. I'm an ace pilot.
You're an ace pilot?
I even know which ones break and which ones. I mean, Honda even has trust signals.
So you know where the brake button is.
Oh yeah, it's the red button, and the
You know when
boost
to
is the
press
blue.
it. You know when to press it.
Oh yes, before we hit that big carriage or before we hit an object that comes at us, we gotta press it, or we're gonna batter around that like, well, you know.
All right, and all the way to your left, guys.
I'm not sure he's really confident in me. I think he is, but oh well. Okay, let's see what our boss has to say.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. You again. Your last mission was so successful and profitable. Well, good for me. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you play the back. Pilots, line up.
All right.
Let's break it again.
For your safety, remain seated and
Guess who gets to pilot the Falcon? Do. This is too awesome.
Yeah, I don't trust that.
Oh, hate, appreciate.
I'm getting it. It's just being, come on, leather coat. Yeah, there we go.
If Kopitar ever leaves.
Oh man, keep hating.
I mean, get it out. Seatbelt. Just seatbelt right down.
Alright, guys. This is my steadfast crew. Yar. Oh, what? Wrong right. Arr.
Hey, you, concentrate.
Right here. Seatbelt goes right here.
Oh!
test.
Hit the
Your
buttons.
flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot,
Right, baby.
make the jump to light speed.
Light speed, baby.
Train. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Yeah.
There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon.
Harpoon.
Now guns, shoot it. Free. Brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Yeah.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now, the
Okay,
resistance
when we harpoon it, keep hitting the harpoon button over and over again as fast as you can. As fast as you can, harpoon them, and keep hitting them. Yep, you got it. And shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh, shoot and harpoon. Yeah, repeat, repeat, repeat.
Shooting.
Yeah. Booyah!
Job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after that train. That gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of here. Yes.
Whoa.
A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Oh boy.
The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost.
We got it.
We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. No. Let's
Woo!
get
Done that hyperspace, baby. I moved it that way. Damn it.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely.
Oh well.
You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order.
That was a proper
and made
run,
Chewie
guys.
Now
Give me
after
some
buying
skin, pound.
what this profit
Yeah,
will
hell
buy,
yeah.
finest
Give me a hell yeah.
damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Hey, we got 43%. That is not bad.
Whoa, looks like we are ready.
Yeah, we're pirates. Yeah. All right.
Crazy pilots, let's go.
Oh yeah, we crazy, but we won. We got the coaxium. We got the double deal with coaxium,
Pretty
baby.
good.
Yeah. I told you, Han trusts me. He does. See, Han has all his faith in me. Get what I'm saying? Oh yeah.